What's up, ARRIE fam? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a fun video today. As you guys know, the Barbie movie is out. Who did not grow up loving Barbie? Oh my goodness. How many Barbie dolls did you have? They have so many Barbies, okay? So we're just going to be talking about some perfumes that remind me of Barbie. Let's get into it. This first perfume is Barbie all the way, and this is Yara from Lattafa. I don't know if you guys have been familiar with this one, but this smells so good. It's all over the internet everywhere. It is so good. It's tropical, gourmand, sweet. It reminds me so much of Barbie. I think Barbie definitely will wear this one. It's so sweet, tropical, floral at the same time, just pretty and feminine. And this is definitely Barbie. Okay, so next up is Moschino, and this is Toy 2, the Bubblegum Edition. Tell me this isn't Barbie. Tell me that you cannot see Barbie wearing this one. This has candied fruits. It has blueberry, strawberry, peach. Yeah, this is so fun and flirty. This is definitely Barbie hanging out with Ken in her little car and she's riding around. This right here is definitely Barbie. And look at the color of the cap. Tell me that's not Barbie. This, we're going to give it to Clean Barbie. Okay, this is Philosophy's Amazing Grace. This is such a beautiful light note. It has some musk in it, some bergamot, some rose. It is super pretty, super clean. I can see Clean Barbie rocking this all day. I love this scent. I think it's just beautiful. I think it's perfect for grown women as well as younger women. It's just really pretty and light. This I'm going to give to Clean Barbie, and that's Amazing Grace by Philosophy. I can see Barbie wearing this too, and this is Glossier You. Now this is actually a skin scent where it needs your skin to produce an aroma or produce your scent, but it does have some violet and some woody notes in it. I can see Barbie wearing this. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it. And on my skin, it is super sweet. It's just pretty. It's super, super sweet, light, and it's summery. It does have a little musky smell to it, but I can definitely see Barbie rocking this one, and this is Glossier. Look at this one. Doesn't that look like Barbie? Tell me this doesn't look like Barbie. Yeah, this is Sweet Tooth by Sabrina Carpenter, and I am in love. This is a sweet gourmand perfume. It has so many goodies in it. Let me just read a couple of them to you. It has marshmallow, candied ginger, chocolate and bergamot, and then it has Madagascar vanilla, coconut milk, jasmine, whipped cream, sugar, cashmere wood, and musk. And it smells so good. It smells just like you have a sweet tooth and you want some of everything that's sweet. This is definitely a Barbie scent. And just look, packaging, it looks like a chocolate, Hershey's chocolate bar that's, you know, that you can divide and break up, but it's pink. How cute. Oh, this is definitely Barbie. This is Barbie. Next up is a Bond No. 9 fragrance, and this is Chinatown. Y'all, this is Barbie all the way too. It is so pretty and floral. The notes in it are peach, peach blossom, bergamot. It has tuberose, gardenia, peony, orange blossom, cardamom, vanilla, sandalwood, guaiac wood, patchouli, and Virginia cedar. This, oh yeah, it's one of my favorites. I fight not to use this one all the time because it has a spiciness, a spicy sweetness to it. It's just both. It is so, so, so good. If you can get your nose on this, you definitely need to try this. It's definitely giving out Barbie, okay? This is Chinatown by Bond No. 9. So pretty. This is Burberry Her. This is I would say Barbie's everyday scent. This is giving everyday. She has different, you know, perfumes that she wears out. This is her daily scent. It's full with strawberries, blackberries, amber, vanilla. It is so pretty. This is definitely her everyday scent, and this is Burberry Her. So next up is Delana. Look at her. Look at her. This is travel Barbie. I see Barbie wearing this while she's traveling. She has her luggage and she's seeing the sights, and she's going abroad to different countries, and she's leaving her mark with her Delana. The notes in this one are lychee, rhubarb, bergamot, nutmeg, and then we have Turkish rose, peony, musk, petalea, and vanilla. And the base notes are Cashmere, cedar, incense, and Haitian vetiver. This is such a beautiful scent. This is definitely travel Barbie. She is traveling everywhere, leaving her mark. So beautiful. And just look at the packaging, y'all. Tell me what Barbie's perfume counter looks like, and I'm going to show you. This is so beautiful, and this is Delana. So last but not least, you guys, we're going to say Prada. Look at that pink juice. When you smell it, it smells like Barbie. Oh, it is so sweet. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with this perfume, you guys. I just got it, and I cannot put it down. So Prada has tuberose, ylang ylang, patchouli, and vetiver. And when I tell you, it is beautiful, and this personifies Barbie. This is her signature scent. This is her signature scent right here. This is Barbie's signature scent, and it is gorgeous. So next up is Donna Born in Roma, and this is going to be Barbie's date night scent. This is such a beautiful cologne. This is just a sample size, you guys, but it is so good, so pretty. And look at that pink juice. Look at the juice. Look at the bottle. So pretty. So the notes in it are blackcurrant, pink pepper, bergamot, jasmine, jasmine sambac, jasmine tea. The base notes are bourbon vanilla, cashmere, and guaiac wood. This is so pretty, and I can see her and Ken on a date, and this is what she smells like. And this is Donna Born in Roma. So you guys, I just wanted to create this fun video for you guys. I've seen so many other people doing it, and we all grew up loving Barbie, and we all had a million Barbie dolls with all the clothes, with everything. And you had one that you thought was you, right? It's like, this Barbie is supposed to be me. But yeah, so we are just enjoying this. I hope you get a chance to see the movie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care.